In the previous week, rupee opened at 76.29 and ended at 76.40, the high and low for the week being 75.97 and 76.87. Today, the rupee started the week at 76.42, mostly unchanged from the previous day's close, and we expect to see less volatility in the currency today. From the beginning of January 2020 till date, the rupee had depreciated by 6.50% in absolute terms against the dollar, and after reckoning the adverse internal and external events, the rupee's depreciation seems to have been well contained. Amongst the Asian currencies, Indonesian rupiah and Thai baht had depreciated by over 8.25% in absolute terms during the above period. The significant rise in global stocks on Friday led to a moderate recovery in the rupee, and if the trend continues for another 2 or 3 days this week, we can see the rupee to test the 76.00 level. Any rise beyond the 76.00 mark may remain unsustainable, as the prevailing economic condition may disallow such a rise. The recovery in the rupee exchange rate was helped by the news that a potential COVID-19 treatment may be on the way, and also on deadlines for reopening of the US economy in 3 phases, which is also a positive news from the US amidst increasing death tolls. While the new optimism on the global stock markets is backed by expectations of flattening of the virus curve in most countries, the fact as to the extent of economic damage being faced by various countries in the globe is unthinkable, and it would take months to rebuild the confidence in the economic recovery. On Friday, RBI has announced various measures to lift the sentiment and ease the financial stress in the local financial markets. RBI has injected 3.2% of GDP into the economy to increase the liquidity position. In view of the significant increase in liquidity in the banking system, RBI has reduced the reverse repo rate by 25 basis points from 4% to 3.75% in their efforts to increase the bank lending to various sectors in the economy. The interest rate differential between the RBI's repo rate and the Fed funds rate is about 4.15% per annum. The moderate recovery in the rupee exchange rate helped the forwards to gradually decline, with the 6-month and 12-month forward dollar premia ending the week at 4.10% and 3.94% per annum respectively.